David, stop. The coffee is on the floor.
I'm sorry, the alarm clock is so loud. Is it morning?
It is a disaster, a big emergency.
Why? Is the car broken?
No, Anna, the babysitter, is very sick today.
No babysitter? That is a big problem.
I have a meeting in the city in 30 minutes.
30 minutes? I need to iron my white shirt for my meeting too.
Look at the time. Where are my silver car keys?
Relax. The silver keys are in your right hand.
Oh, but what about Leo? What about our son?
Don't worry. I can take care of him.
Are you sure? Looking after a child is hard.
My work is easy. No meetings, no calls.
Okay. But remember the golden rule, David.
I know, never leave the child alone.
Exactly. Not for 1 second. Promise me.
I promise I am a professional father. Go now.
Give him some fruit and milk later. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sarah. Leo is sleeping. I need to iron my shirt and drink my coffee. Let's go. Ah, a quiet morning. The house is silent. The iron is getting hot for my shirt. Good. Now, I can write my report. I can drink my coffee. Wait, what is that sound? Oh no, my computer is ringing. It is Miss Jenkins.
Daddy, Dada, I want to play.
Leo, the child is awake. He is very loud.
Mr. Miller, answer the video call now.
Hello, Miss Jenkins. I am working hard today.
It is a terrible morning. Look at the chart. The red lines are bad. The numbers are small.
Daddy, look, a hole in the wall?
Leo, no, do not touch the socket. That is dangerous.
What is that noise? Is that a tiger?
I am sorry. My son is playing near the power socket.
I want a full report by 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? That is impossible.
Nothing is impossible. Finish the work. Goodbye.
6 o'clock. This is a nightmare. I am so busy.
Daddy, food. I am hungry.
Okay, Leo. I'm putting the soup on the stove now. Stay here. Play with the blocks. Daddy needs to type fast. Ding dong. The doorbell is ringing. The stove is on. The iron is on. But I must answer the door. Hello, who is there? I see a giant box. Hello, David. It is Phil, the mailman. Phil? Why is there a giant box at my door? It is your new office chair. It is heavy. Oh, I need that chair. Please bring the box inside. Grab the corner. 1, 2, 3. Push. Phew, this box is like a big rock. It is safe now. Sign this yellow paper, please. Give me the pen. I'm in a big hurry. Why? Are you running a race today? No, I have a giant report and a hungry baby. Take it easy, David. Here's your receipt. Thank you, Phil. Goodbye. The box is in the hall. Now, back to work. Wait, it is very quiet, Leo. I need to check on little Leo right now. Okay, Leo, Daddy is back. Where are you? Leo, was that you? Please answer me. Are you under the black desk? No. Boom! That sound. It is in the kitchen. Oh no! The stove is on. The soup is hot. The iron is still on the table. It is very dangerous. Leo, do not touch the hot iron, Leo. The kitchen is empty. The window is open. My hands are shaking. Where is my baby? Wait, look at the front door. It is open. I did not close it. Leo, Leo.
Daddy, look. Big car.
Oh no, he is on the street. I must run. Leo, stay there. Do not move. Stop the car. Stop the car, please.
Daddy, blue car. Look, it is pretty.
Got you. I have you in my arms now. You are safe.
David, are you okay? I saw you running.
Mrs. Henderson, the car was so close. Too close.
I saw the open window and the hot stove. You left him alone.
I am a fool. I am a terrible father.
Your son is your life, David, not the work.
You're right. I was so scared.
Look at your house. The iron is hot. The kitchen is a mess.
Oh no, Sarah is coming home soon.
Then move fast. We have work to do.
I want mommy.
David, stop running. Give him food first.
Food? Oh no, I forgot the soup on the stove.
The soup is dry now, David. He is very hungry.
I'm so sorry, Leo. Daddy is a mess.
Sit down. I have fresh soup and bread. Feed him now.
Thank you, Mrs. Henderson. You are very kind.
Now, clean the living room. Put the iron away.
Okay, Leo. Eat your soup. Daddy needs to clean the floor.
Soup is good. Look, Daddy, I am messy.
Oh no! Soup on your shirt? This is a disaster.
Relax, David. Use this white towel.
Thank you. Clean the floor, clean the shirt, clean the desk.
Raw. Look at my dinosaur.
Not now, Leo. Daddy is busy.
David, look at the window. A car is stopping.
Is it Sarah? Oh no! The house is still a mess. It is Sarah. I am not ready.
David, Leo? I'm home.
Sarah, I'm here on the floor.
You look exhausted. Your shirt is dirty. What happened?
I thought this was easy, Sarah, but taking care of a child is the hardest job.
David, look at this house. The iron is still warm. Why is the floor wet?
I'm sorry. I was busy with work. I forgot the rules.
You left him alone, didn't you?
Yes, he was on the street. I learned a big lesson today. My report is not important. My son is my life.
I'm happy you're both safe. Never again, David. Promise me.
I promise. Leo is my priority now. If you liked our story, please like and subscribe.
Is babysitting easy or hard? Tell us in the comments.
See you next time. Goodbye.